This
Lindsay's,
is random.
Lindsay's sleeping over at my house. We're
I'm
doing her
sick,
nails.
so excuse me for my voice.
I got this color. I thought it was pretty. It's hard to see. I'll show you the bottle.
Color.
That color.
I got two.
But it's OPI, so it's really good.
Yeah, so this nail polish I got, so I guess.
I don't know. It's supposed to like, it's like Katy Perry.
Katy Perry. Yeah, I mean.
But it's supposed to. What she's gonna do? Gonna put this purple on. Show them purple.
Voila.
This purple.
Very purple.
On first, and then she's gonna put this on top of it. And then when it dries, it's supposed to, you see how it's all like cracked like that on the bottle? Where you see the black through all the crackiness, whatever? That's, you're supposed to, anyway, it's supposed to make it so that you see the purple through. We'll show you and we're done so you can see what it looks like. But basically it's supposed to be where the black cracks up on your nail and then you see the purple through it. And then it's supposed to be pretty cool. I don't know how well it works. We just saw it in the store, so we figured why not. We'll try it.
But I'm sure it will work.
Normally I hate Katy Perry, but that actually sounds kind of cool, so we'll test it out and see.
I try the black first, but
I don't know. No, we're going to do it properly.
Just
we're going to do purple.
Works,
no, let's do purple first and then that.
What if it goes over?
Nothing else. We have nail polish remover for a reason. Start over fresh.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyway, that's what we're going to do. So we'll do another video when we're done so you can see what it looks like. And I'm just going to do basic red. I'll probably do my toes later. I mean, because my toes are like, if you can see, it's like all chipping.
This actually pretty. Only my skin. Like,
yeah, it's like Oompa Loompa purple.
Oh,
pretty.
thanks. Oompa.
But no, it's pretty. It's like Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory purple.
I need to start growing my nails though.
Yeah, mine are kind of long, as you can see right there. Like I was after I filed them down. I don't know. Like I put this stuff on my nails to like make them strong and healthy, and they just like did really. I don't know. It worked. I had no clue what it was either. My mom bought it at the store randomly. But anyway, yeah. So we'll do another video when we're done, so you can see what it looks like. Okay. Bye.